When it's time to talk about the results and what they mean and what we should do with them in the collateral, the testing in a project is going to find a lot of results. Those results, like everything that we've done with you, is confidential. Nothing we do in the course of a project goes public until we agree on that. So we look at the results with you. You look at them, we look at them, we talk, and we set about to craft the best story that tells the truth and meets your marketing goals and takes best advantage of the available facts. Now, not everything we find is going to necessarily contribute to that story. You might have hoped that you would have 10 wins for your product against the competition, and you might find that there are really only 7, and that those are the 7 gems you want to share. We're going to work with you on that. We're going to show you the results. We're going to get your input. We're going to give you our suggestions. As we go through the results of a test together, it's possible that you look at them and you decide there's not enough of a good story there. Should that happen to you, it's really tempting to feel like, oh no, I wasted all this effort. That data, the hard proof of where your product should improve, is invaluable to feed back to your engineering and development organizations so that the next time you take an iteration of the product to market, it is going to be the winner you hoped it would be. It will also help you know where to position that product in the current marketplace. So your team and our team should work together to not consider the results the end of the conversation, but rather another step in the conversation of creating the best, most compelling story, most rewarding and empowering story for the buyers of the products.